Tired of constantly switching items in Minecraft? Let's dive into the power of your offhand slot and unlock a whole new level of gameplay. First, open your inventory. You'll see your usual hotbar and survival slots. Notice this extra slot right here. That's your offhand, and it's ready for action. To equip an item in your offhand, simply drag it from your inventory into this dedicated slot. It's as easy as that. The most common use is a torch. Imagine this: you're spelunking in a dark cave, swinging your pickaxe with one hand and placing torches seamlessly with the other, all without ever touching your hotbar. Combat gets a major upgrade to equip your shield in the offhand, and you can block incoming damage while keeping your weapon ready for a swift counterattack. This is a game changer for survival. But it's not just about combat. Need to navigate a vast world. Keep your map in the offhand for constant reference, or perhaps you want quick access to a healing potion during a tough fight. For builders, this means having your primary building tool in one hand and a utility item, like a block pallet or a scaffolding piece, in the other, streamlining your building process. Experiment with different item combinations to find what works best for your playstyle. Mastering the offhand is a simple but powerful technique that will elevate your Minecraft experience. Go forth and conquer.